Hey guys, welcome to the mess. No, I am actually just joking. This is the charger we're gonna talk about today. It's made by Heyday, and that's a charger I think you probably should have if you can afford it or find it somewhere either at Target or online. It's made by Heyday. This is the information about it, the model. You can pause this video and check the model. And in this side we have a 110 volt to 240 volt port. On the front we have a 12 watt USB-A ports which are shared and two USB-C ports which are 20 watts each. So that makes 52 watts in total of this device. Well, let's go ahead and plug everything we have right here on this device and see if it can pull them. And first things first, let's plug in the power, and yes, this thing here just turned on. And now let's plug them in one by one. First is gonna be a battery bank, which is very old, but it works. And here goes the battery bank. Boom, it started charging as you see right there. And second one is gonna be one of these other devices. Let's see which one turns on. That was the phone, and it says charging. And the other one is gonna be the other tablet, I'm guessing and assuming. This one here should be, and yes, it says charging 18% as you see right there. And now let's plug in the last one, this Alcatel tablet right here. And now everything is plugged on, and as you see, this one is started up, this one is charging, this one is charging, this one is charging, and this one is charging as well. So who is this charger for? Well, to be honest, for everybody. If it's for me, it's for you too. And no, I am not paid by Heyday, which is the company who makes this charger. But how I found about this charger was through a friend that told me about it, and he was actually really impressed with it. I had it now for a few days. I've tried to charge everything on it, and so far has been working just perfect, in my opinion. For the power it has and the money it costs, this is an incredible device to have at your home. 4 devices with 2 quite powerful 20 watt outputs USB-C and a 12 watt share, which is 6 watts each if you put both. USB-A, which is for slow charging, sometimes to maintain the battery of your device. That's not a bad thing. And let me disconnect everything and try something else. Well, I'm gonna leave this one probably on. I'm gonna take everything else out, as you see right here. Let me plug this one back on, and let me take all these devices out of here. Just like that. I don't need this one. I don't need this one either. But now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring a laptop and see if this device will actually turn the light on. There should be a light here that turns orange when it's charging, and the charger, as you see, is plugged in here. And let's plug it on the laptop, and as you see, yes, the light came on, which, yes, this is a low powered Chromebook. It's not really any power hungry machine, but just to show you that this charger does charge it. Well, what I think it happens with a laptop, at least if you put it to charge a laptop, it will charge it very slow because it's only 20 watts. This one to charge in a normal rate would be around 60 watts. At least that's what I charge it with, a 65 watt Lenovo charger. But if you don't turn it on and you need it for emergency or something, or you lost your other charger, you put it on with this charger for maybe half hour and you got a laptop up and running. And with that said, I think that's all I can talk about today. And yes, this was made by Heyday, this company you see right here. I think they're owned by Target if I'm not wrong, but I could be wrong. And with that said, this is the video for today, and we will see you on the next one. And thank you for stopping by, and if you hit subscribe and like on these videos, it would tremendously help this channel, and I would appreciate it. And bye!